Who doesn't love some nice refreshing water that gets rid of over 30 contaminants? I do. The sponsor of today's video is Waterdrop with their Countertop water filtration system. After unboxing the Waterdrop, you're gonna get a 15-cup pitcher that comes with a handy dandy handle, the lid that will go on top of here, a filter, the charging cord, a brush for cleaning, and user manual. Installation on the Waterdrop is super simple. Pop the filter inside. This is gonna be our little suction area, so we wanna put it into this right here. But first, we need to clean this out. Before we get started, we're gonna take some soapy water, our cute little brush, and clean it all up. Now that it's been all clean, there's a minimum and maximum line we can fill the water up to. Our water comes from our tanks over there, and although it goes through a small filtration process, it is not complete clean drinking water. So we're gonna fill this up and get it started. We're gonna take the water pump and put it inside the water tank, making sure that this part goes into the water. I'm gonna put a pitcher under here to catch the first load of water. Hit the button twice. Here comes the first load of water. We're not gonna drink that. We're gonna go ahead and throw that one away. When this goes red, we know it's gonna need to be charged. We'll throw the charging port in here, plug it in. It should charge and last up to 30 days. I really love the portability of Waterdrop system. It's so nice to have it in my refrigerator. I can have cold water all the time.
It's so crisp and delicious. I love my Waterdrop systems.
The best part about our Waterdrop system is that it's so easy to take wherever you want to go because it's portable.
Just grab this handy dandy handle right here. Let's go.
I can put it at the dining room table so everyone can fill their water glasses, in our bedroom or office for a quick drink at night, or in my outdoor kitchen so my kids can fill their jugs up. Apparently the outdoor kitchen is cat approved as well, or for a refill at the picnic table. And most importantly, when we're hard at work, you know we have to stay hydrated so Hubs can fill up his water jug.
We want to thank Waterdrop for sponsoring today's video. Now we got a bunch of work to do. We'll see you guys later.